Okay, so this is going to be a video about Group Collector. And the reason that we like this so much is there's a lifetime deal on AppSumo. It's only $79 and it can do so much. And just in using it for the past couple of weeks, it's, to do this manually just doesn't make sense. So what's great about it is, as you can see from the screenshots, it's for Facebook groups. Now you add a new group through your URL, you set up a Google Sheet, and if you want, you can connect right here through the autoresponders, which is you can only do one per group. But basically what happens is when you approve a member in this group, it's going to go to this autoresponder. So for example, it could be one of the many here. It could go to MailChimp, it could go to High Level, it could go to HubSpot, etc. So you just get one per group, but it saves a lot of time. And of course, in the Google Sheet, you can see a lot of the information here. So people that answered the questions and what their answers were. So what the question was at the time that they joined, what their answer was, etc. So all this information comes through. And look at all that, where they live, how much mutual friends my profile has with their profile, how many groups we have in common, how many friends they have in my group, what their email is connected to their Facebook profile, etc. So this is great. And of course, you could run something like Zapier off of this. So you connect your Google Sheet, which you make a copy of here, and then you don't edit the name of the sheet down here. So once you add your group, you install their Chrome extension, and this is just the dashboard. If you ever need to get here, you just click on the Chrome extension and view dashboard. Notice this is disabled. You probably should leave that disabled. So what happens is we have people in here that want to join the group, which is great. And then we can approve all or decline all. And notice if you don't have the Chrome extension, it just says approve. It doesn't say GC approve. This is group connector approve, overriding the default approve button on Facebook. So it's real easy. Now there are alternative solutions out there. Some of them don't work with the updated version of Facebook. If you remember it, a year or so ago, Facebook was trying out a new design, and then now it's the default design for everything. So this one has been maintained for years and working well. And for the price, it's inexpensive, and it's a lifetime price. It makes a lot of sense. So, and it's a significant discount from the price available on their own website. So here's what happens. We look, is this the kind of person that we want in our group? Everything looks good. And it's like, and the other thing to know about it is once you approve one of these requests, you don't get to see what their answers are. They're just lost forever. So that's one of the great value that this pieces of value that the Google spreadsheet provides is you can go back and look at each person. So I'm going to click this and notice it just approves, just like you would expect right here. And then there you go. Today's November 15. That's what happened. And his answers are here. And that's it. I mean, that's what technology is supposed to be doing for us. So you can just go through here and approve and just do it over and over. And I'm not going to go through any more of these, but if you click decline, it doesn't have any effect. It doesn't go into your Google Sheet or anything like that. It's only for those that you approve. So anyways, it's a game changer. It's like anybody that runs any Facebook group of any size for $79 one-time fee. This makes a lot of sense. All you do is you go to my link right here, and it is an affiliate link. I get, I don't know, 5% or something. It's not a lot, but I do a lot of business with AppSumo, and this just, there's no options. There's no confusing, which plan to buy or anything like that. You just buy it and it works and it's great. So on their website,
collect unlimited new Facebook group member answers, including their email, and convert them into lead.
It's gonna send you the video and all that stuff, but you can see the price on their website is $297 lifetime deal, which, to be honest, is worth it. So if this deal is not available by the time you're ready to buy it, or that you find this video, that's okay. But it's, this URL right here is what you want. That'll help me out. If you don't use it, that's fine, but it'll get you there right away. So capital G, lowercase j, capital O, not a zero, lowercase k, capital X, then the number 2. So appsumo.8, lowercase odi.net. All right, so I hope you like it. And if you want the direct link, it's appsumo.com/product/group-collector, or you can just come up here and type group collector. Oh, there's a plus exclusive too. So this one's only $59. So if you have AppSumo Plus, which is I think $100 or $200 a year, you can get it for $20 cheaper. All right. Hope you like it. I made the video only because I'm such a big fan. I created a referral link only because I'm such a big fan, and I just can't imagine doing it any other way. This just is the way it should be done for every size Facebook group. Hope you like it as much as I do.